comes first. You're watching WECT News.
If your child is in private school, you could see some changes this upcoming school year. A new law states handguns can be carried onto private school campuses with school permission.
The proposal caused a lot of debate in the General Assembly earlier this year. The governor vetoed the bill after it passed, and then lawmakers voted to override his veto. WECT's Ariana Bertolotti talked with people on both sides of that new law. What did they have to say to you, Ariana?
John, one mom says allowing handguns in the schools will only create more issues, but proponents for the bill say it brings another layer of protection to the classroom. A new law on the books aims to improve security on private school campuses. House Bill 193 allows for permitted, permission-based handguns to be carried at private schools. But like anything when it comes to guns, it's an issue not everyone can agree on.
I would not allow my child to go to a school where volunteers are carrying guns.
If my kids were in that school, I would feel much better about their safety because violent sociopaths would be deterred from attacking that particular campus.
Proponents against the bill say it will cause more harm than good. Sue Duncan is a mother of two and former educator of 32 years. She says school fights are scary enough, and adding guns to the situation only escalates it.
If you'd had teachers coming out of classrooms with guns, people would have been seriously hurt.
Duncan says she finds comfort in trained school resource officers protecting the schools, not just anyone with a gun and a concealed carry permit.
We have about 800 hours of training in addition to training with firearms. In addition to that, they have crisis management training. There is no requirement for crisis management training in HB 193.
But those in favor of the law say the main objective here is to protect people,
with the idea of deterring violent crime. The fact is that violent perpetrators know when victims are not armed and they seek out those areas.
Even then, schools have the final say in whether to allow guns on campuses. And if the division shows us anything, it will likely be a hot-button issue at each private school as well. Officials say if your child is enrolled in private school, to reach out to the school leaders regarding their policy on handguns to learn more. Ariana Bertolotti, WECT News.